Hey loves, what's up going? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing two products that I'm trying for the first time, and they're both from Aunt Jackie's. This first one is the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. Ignore my nails. And the other one is the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. I'm really excited to try both these products. Currently my hair has no product at all because it has been washed and detangled. If you'd like to see that video, please click the link in the iCard or in the description down below. And I'm going to use the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner on my right side. This is my right side, and I'll be using the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant on my left, and I'm going to give you my honest review on both of them, how moisturizing it is, the texture, and everything about it. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Tell me if the world is falling. So I'm going to do it in sections. So has the price tag on it. I paid 1,200 Jamaican dollars for it. And the first thing I do when I open a product is smell it. This is a great smell. It has a coconutty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the texture. It's not watery, but it's not very thick. But wow, this really looks moisturizing. It's not very watery. So I'm going to put it on my hair. Okay. Wow. Great slip. Well, my hair is already detangled, so but still it's wow, this feels very moisturizing. Oh, it feels so moisturized. I'm going to twist this up and apply it to the next section. Usually I only use my shea butter and castor oil mix to moisturize my hair, but since I've been braiding it up or cornrowing it and leaving it in for a week before even looking at it, I wanted something that will give it a lot of moisture so that I won't have to be moisturizing daily. And I'll also be using my shea butter mix, but I just wanted to try something new. Wow, I love this. Oh my god. The back of my hair has a looser texture, so I think it retains moisture longer. My hair feels so moisturized. Wow. It feels good, it smells good, it looks good. Yeah, I'm loving it. So I'm going to try the Quench Leave-In Moisture Intensive. What is it? The Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner on my right side. And see if I love it just as much. I paid about the same price for this, $1,200. This smells great as well. This has a mangoey smell, very fruity. It smells so good. So it has a really nice fruity smell. Oh my gosh, it smells like a sweet, like I could eat it. Okay, so let's squeeze. Okay, wow, this is very watery, and that's expected because it's a leave-in. Like, look, it's, yeah, it easily glides off. So I guess this would be great for detangling. Wow, it smells so good. One thing about Aunt Jackie's products is they smell amazing. Let me just twist this. And apply it to this section also. Very water-based, very watery. And a lot of slip. It feels like a conditioner. Like that's the texture of this leave-in well, it's a leave-in conditioner, but yeah, it feels like regular conditioner. Yeah, the amount of slip. Like it feels like something you'd rinse out. It smells so good. I prefer the smell of this to the buttercream. Yeah, so those are my first impression of the Aunt Jackie's buttercream and the Quench leave-in conditioner. Let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like to see an updated video after a week of me having these products in my hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.